Teeth whitening is one of the most common cosmetic dental procedures that we do nowadays, besides our laminates. So the most common questions I have, what do I have to go through to get these beautiful white teeth? Either you do an office bleaching procedure, which takes about a good hour of your time, but it's instant gratification. You go 8 to 12 shades brighter. What we do, first you have a consult with your dentist to make sure that you're a proper candidate, to make sure you don't have any fillings in your front teeth that would not whiten. And after you are a proper candidate, we sit you down, we put a barrier on your tissue so we don't whiten your gum tissue. Then you put a bleaching solution, a hydrogen peroxide, which is the main ingredient in whitening. You put that on, and then you hook this up and you do a 20-minute session with this light right over your mouth. And we do up to 4. If you have any sensitivity, we do have some vitamin E oil that we can put on your gum tissue. Otherwise, we'll just wait until you're finished and do a fluoride treatment. Now, the difference between at home and under a dentist supervision, at home, if you do have sensitivity, you can either brush with fluoride toothpaste or just consult your dentist and they can get you in for a fluoride treatment at your earliest convenience.